Hey Scribers, I just wanted to show you how you can take a report to make a sample report for your website. Let's just say this is a report that you have finished for Michael Jordan here as our client. And you've already published this report and you've sent it to them, and you want to make a copy of it but scrape out the personal information. So what you do is copy report here, so we'll hit that, and it's going to basically make an exact copy of the report. At that point, you could even change the cover photo if you really wanted to just kind of try to make it more anonymous. You could even remove the cover photo. Sometimes I'll put like a different house in there just so that it's just, I don't know, you don't want it to be recognized necessarily. But then you come up here and you could put, Orca sample report under client name, and you could change the address around, something like that, and put in obviously whatever you want for your local town, and then just that way you're scraping the client name and that kind of personal information out of it, and then just hit publish, and obviously publish without sending. You're going to build a new link that's going to show up here, and then you can use that for your website. So my advice if you're building a sample report for your website is just make a really beautiful, do a great job on a report like you do on all of them, and then use copy report here. Scrape out all the personal information, and again, right now there's no cover page on here. When you copy a report, we actually kind of remove the cover page photo, so you could put in a photo of a different house or leave it blank or something, but I'd put some house in there. It'll make it look much better, but that way you can kind of complete the deception so that people won't recognize the sample report. We can click on this. I'll drag this over so you can see it. This just has the default sort of water view because I didn't load a picture, but now you got it. An exact copy of a report with all the personal information taken out. All right, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.